Good evening, I'm meteorologist Karen Williams, and as you can see now, folks, the Storm Prediction Center has placed us under a moderate risk of the severe thunderstorm. So we're at level 4 here, which means we have widespread severe storms that are very likely to have, and that means these are long-lived storms that are projected with widespread areas, and you can expect anywhere from damaging winds, hail, and of course heavy rains and the possibility of tornadoes. So you do need to be on top of your game here. This is serious. This is not a drill. This is the real thing. So again, we want you to be prepared. We don't want you to panic, but we want you to be safe and prepare. And remember, this window of opportunity for you to plan is beginning to close now. I will have your complete forecast coming up as the Delta News at 10 weekend edition starts right now.
News that works for you. This is the Delta News at 10.
Things over to Karen, meteorologist Karen Williams for a check of the weather. Karen, any positive news we can look forward to?
Well, Tamara, I can only say that we have overcast conditions outside our studios at this time. We have a wind advisory that will be in effect until Sunday, 10 p.m. And we already are beginning to see the line of showers and thunderstorms that are moving toward the east. They're off to our west in parts of Arkansas, but they're beginning to move into the area. I will have your forecast after the break. As you can see, we have some showers and thunderstorms that are moving into the area. Outside our studios right now, we're still dry, but I believe around midnight or so, you'll start to hear some rumbles of thunder, and that's when we'll start to see some of the action. As we look ahead at our fronts and clouds here, again, you see this line right here. This line right here is a warm front. And with this, we have moisture that's already moving up into the area. Also, we have another line here that's bringing in colder, sharper air that's moving in. When we have these elements that are moving into the area, when you have a lot of spin in the air, you can expect a lot of wicked weather. And when I say wicked, you can expect the damaging winds, you can expect heavy rain, you can expect hail, you can expect everything. So it's very important tonight before you go to bed, make sure your phone is charged and make sure that you have your weather apps activated. And even if you have a weather radio, make sure that you have it on tonight, because again, this is going to be a very volatile situation that's going to be moving into that area. And we're looking at possibly, folks, anywhere from about 1 to about 2 million people that are going to be affected. So it's a good chunk of the southern half of the United States that's going to be affected by this system. This is no jokes, folks. This is serious. So again, you want to be weather aware. And again, tomorrow morning, meteorologist Clay Smith will be here. I will be in about midday, and then Chief Meteorologist Christopher Mathis will also be in. The full team will be in order to keep you updated, and we will keep you safe. Again, we're looking at our temperatures right now, 62 degrees in Greenwood. We are looking at winds out of the north at about 3 miles per hour, and then out of the northeast, And then we're looking at humidity at 70%, that dew point at 52 degrees. And then for Greenville, winds are calm, 65 degrees, humidity is 63%, and that dew point is 52. So again, dew points are beginning to rise now. Lows for tonight in the upper 50s to low 60s. We're looking at Indianola at 62 degrees. And then looking at our future cast again, 9 a.m. is the target line, which we expect a heavy line of showers and thunderstorms to be moving through, and it will be carrying out up until about late Sunday night, and then by Monday things will start to dry out. Looking at our temperatures, we'll be below normal for this time of the year, but by the end of the week, temperatures will rise up. Storm Prediction Center has us in this marginal area here, this red bullseye here. And again, this is the moderate risk that I talked about very early in the game. The ingredients that we're looking at, again, will have moisture lift, wind shear, and instability. All those things will contribute to our severe weather. 100% chance of rain for Sunday, and then things will begin to dry out. Looking at the Mississippi River levels, we are above flood stage, but it will tail off to about 52.1. And then for the Yazoo River, it will peak up on Tuesday at 32.2, and then we'll start to come back down by the end of the week. For tonight, we have a chance of showers and thunderstorms, 61 degrees. It will be windy. Those winds will be south-southeast with gusts up to 25 miles per hour. And then for tomorrow, we'll have showers and thunderstorms, some of which will be severe, windy, 75 degrees. Again, the winds are south-southeast, 15 to 20, with gusts increasing up to 25 to 30. And then looking at your 7-day forecast, folks, we just got to get past Sunday. That's the day we have to get past. But on Monday, the temperatures will be about 60 degrees. It's going to be quite chilly with those temperatures starting out in the upper 40s to start. Tuesday and Wednesday will be struggling to be in the 50s. And then by Thursday, we will increase up to 67 degrees.
That calm before the storm today.
Literally,
yes.
Literally. We do have our pictures. We're going to zip through them real fast.
All right.
Now we're looking at the first one. We'll have a partly cloudy sunset in
Ooh,
Renova,
so pretty.
and that's from Randolph. We also have another one by Randolph, cloudy skies over Renova, and then the third one that we have is the end of a beautiful
Ooh,
sunset with the moon that's sent in by Carrie Green of Glen Allen. She also sent us another one with a beautiful full moon. Thank you very much, Carrie Green. And then our final picture, we have the sunset Hills by Jimmy Gibson of Teac, Mississippi. So it's very breathtaking.
Yes.
Again, if you have pictures, please send them in to me at kwilliams@deltanews.tv, and we'll do our best to get them on. Thank you, one and all.
Yes, we love seeing those weather photos. We got a lot of good nature photographers out there.